Hi, my name is Sophie. I help people who want more money, less stress, more freedom, more time with their children, and yearly holidays. Would you like to earn extra money for that holiday? Save for that dream car? Or do you need a pension plan? Work around your kids and explore the magic of social media. Do you have a big why? Could it be a mortgage to crush? Or you don't want to return to work after maternity leave? If your answer is yes, then I might just have a solution for you. We all spend hours a day browsing the internet on our smartphones or computers. How about turning your sofa moments on social media into a residual income? I'm recruiting team members now. Do you have just 5 to 10 hours a week, motivation, and a desire to succeed? You can start your own business in health, fitness, and well-being. The most amazing journey you will ever go on, the best business experience ever. You can operate in 158 countries. I am looking for 3 types of people. Those who would like to earn an extra 500 to 800 euro per month, recommending our amazing products. Team leaders earning 1,000 to 4,000 a month who retail and recruit a team. And business developers like myself who see the forest, not the tree. A big picture. Those who think of a 6-figure business, chairman's bonus, car plan, and lots more incentives. Most people do network marketing every day. They just don't get paid for it. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Almost everything you want is outside your comfort zone. If you don't take risks, you will always work for someone who does. Replace what if with hell yeah. Want to know more? Contact me on Facebook, www.facebook.com/sophie.ibrahim.7, or send me an email at sophiemadison0@gmail.com.